Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do our math today together. And so I'm going to write my name at the top. It's going to be Angie, but you always call me Mrs. Stewart. We are reviewing our numbers to 10 this week so that we can understand our numbers and not have to think too hard. Okay, now here's the 5. The 5 goes like this. We go down and around, and then we go back up and put a hat on top. So we start on the top line and we go down about halfway to the midline, around all the way to the bottom, and put a hat. So I want you to try real careful on those 5s and practice writing them on your own. So start on the dot, go down and around, and then put the hat on top. Don't forget the hat, or then we won't know what number it is. It'll look kind of like an upside down 2. Okay, let's do one more. Down and around and add a hat. Okay, just like last time, we are going to circle the 5s. So the first one is not a 5. We're going to put an X. The second one is a 5, so we're going to circle it. And then there's no more 5s on that row, so we're going to draw X's through them. Let's look at the next row. No 5. Oh, look, there's a 5. Let's circle it. No 5. And there's a 5, so circle it. Now one more row. That's a 5. Not a 5. Not a 5. And this one's a 5, so let's circle it. Now in our 10 frame box, we're going to draw 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes up the whole top row of the 10 frame. So if you see the whole top row of the 10 frame, you know that the number is 5. Now let's circle 5 pencils. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's draw a circle like that. We have 5 pencils. Now thinking about the number line, what number comes before 5? It's 4. And what number comes after 5? 6. And then let's write our number word. F-I-V-E. That spells 5. Okay. So turn the paper over to the back, and now we're going to do the next number, which is 6. Okay, so 6 starts just below the top line, and we go down all the way to the bottom, back up and around. So let's make some 6s together. Okay, start just below the top line, go all the way down and around, and touch. And I want to see your very best 6s go nice and slow. If we go too fast, then we don't do our best work. And doing our best work is way more important than going fast. All the way down. All the way down. Good. We have all of the 6s. Okay. Now we're going to find 6s. Nope. Yep. Yep. No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Now, yes, on the other side, when we did 5, we filled up the whole top top of the 10 frame. So we're going to fill up the top again. And how many extra do you think we'll have? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we had 1 extra. So that means that looks like it's 5 plus 1, right? Because there's 5 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to circle 6 pencils. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's loop those around so that we have 6 pencils. And how many are left over? There's 4 left over. And it looks like there's 4 boxes left in the 10 frame. That's cool. Okay. What number comes before 6? We just barely wrote this number. 5. And what number is going to come after 6? 7. That's the number we're going to do tomorrow. So let's write 6. S-I-X. That makes 6. All right, good job, boys and girls. You did awesome today on your work. Please turn it in where your teacher would like it, and then do what she wants you to do next.